Too many zucchini rolling around the fridge? Say less. Let's turn that garden overload into a cozy, creamy zucchini and potato soup that's way easier than it looks and wildly comforting. Start with simple ingredients. Sauté your onion, carrot, and garlic in olive oil until soft and fragrant. This is your flavor base. Don't rush it and salt as you go. In go the zucchini and potatoes. Let them mingle for 5 to 7 minutes so they start to soften. The moisture from the zucchini helps keep the pot from scorching from the starchy potatoes. Season with Italian herbs, salt, and pepper, then pour in your veggie broth and creamy cannellini beans. Bring it all to a boil. Now reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Puree about half the soup with an immersion blender for that creamy meets chunky texture. No immersion blender? A potato masher or standing blender works too. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Then pile on those toppings. Think fresh herbs, a swirl of vegan sour cream, or crunchy croutons. It's warm, hearty, budget-friendly, and totally family approved. Get the full recipe at Nuts and Twigs and cozy up with a bowl tonight.